How to delete Flipkart account permanently. I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Flipkart account permanently. First, visit the Flipkart app or website. Then log into your Flipkart account using your registered email address and password. Next, click on the My Account option given at the bottom of the page. Now, click on Edit Profile. You'll be able to see a page with all the personal details open up. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Deactivate Account button. You'll be prompted to provide an OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email address. After providing the one-time password, click on the Confirm Deactivation button to confirm your account deactivation request. Once your account is deactivated, you will receive a confirmation email from Flipkart. Note that deactivating your Flipkart account will permanently delete some of your saved information, including your order history, saved addresses, and payment methods. It is important that you download or save any relevant information before deactivating your account.